Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Canada's goal is to protect sovereignty and economic security while minimizing civilian harm. The administration frames a calibrated response that balances diplomatic pressure, targeted economic measures, and defense readiness. The government targets sanctions worth billion and trade measures affecting specific sectors, with licenses and carve-outs to limit humanitarian impact. Coordination with allies on intelligence sharing and joint actions begins within 30 days, and ministers meet weekly to review outcomes. Public communication focuses on transparency, legal justification, and measured escalation thresholds to avoid unintended consequences. Sanctions will include asset freezes and travel bans on 125 named individuals and entities, using targeted lists to avoid broad population effects. Canada will impose tariffs up to 25% on select imports and restrict $0 million in financing to state-linked companies, while maintaining exemptions for food and medicine. Export controls will limit dual-use items and technology transfers effective in 15 days, and customs enforcement ramps up with extra inspections. The Finance Ministry coordinates with banks to monitor suspicious transactions and strengthen compliance rules. Canada increases defense readiness with 2 additional frigates and 200 reserve troops on standby to reassure NATO partners and protect shipping lanes. Humanitarian relief allocates $5 million for immediate aid and long-term rebuilding projects, and visa pathways expand to accept displaced professionals and families. Legal measures include prosecuting illicit trade and issuing 90-day emergency orders for enforcement to speed up asset seizures and licensing changes. Domestic resilience plans boost critical infrastructure protection, cyber defenses, and supply chain diversification to reduce future vulnerability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.